Hi students, in this question, an air conditioner and a Carnot refrigerator is been given, and for this Carnot refrigerator, its ratio of heat loss Q2 divided by work done W will be equal to a value of T2 divided by T1 minus T2, where this T2 corresponds to temperature of the sink, while T1 corresponds to temperature of the source. Let this be equation number 1. On the other hand, for an air conditioner, its ratio of heat loss Q2 divided by work done W will be equal to 1 divided by 10 into Q2 divided by work done W of Carnot engine. Let this be equation number 2. And here, by substituting equation number 1 in equation number 2, our equation changes as Q2 divided by work done W to be equal to 1 divided by 10 into T2 divided by T1 minus T2, which on rearranging we get the equation of 10